Good evening. Well, I'm out here. Well, you're looking out the window. You see how destroyed the yard is out here. The gazebo, this over here. Nothing on the trees. But anyway, most of you are probably over here on YouTube to watch some videos, since Facebook is down. But YouTube was part of the connection in there that was also down for a little bit. Some people still can't connect. Looking up here, the planes are making designs. But anyway, you know, the last video I uploaded was I was fixing some televisions. Well, look, here is another one. And then if you look right here, you can see this one had a little flare up. You see how this was burned? You can see here's the power. There's the fuse, but I don't think the fuse blew after inspecting this. I think it was this cap right here that went out. But I needed this. Look at how many capacitors are sitting on this thing. There. These large ones are. What? Would you get off me? And look at how many volts that is right there if it's powered up. 450 volts. Knock you on your end. Let's see, that's the that is the one that I need. Let's see, here's the number. 11913, 2013. And then here's the other one. This is another piece that I needed. As you see right here, it probably would still work, but you see the little round piece came off in this. And I wanted to make sure the cap that's around it got put back on there. So you have your output, your optical line. There's your Ethernet connector, your HDMI. Here's your other HDMIs right here. Your infrared, and you have your audio. And there goes the plane right there. Probably can't see them. But anyway, back to this. This is basically what all you have in your flat panels. These small boards. But I do have a lot of the tube televisions still around. I still have to get those all powered up, and then I can connect a device and coax them all together like I've done before. You know, when you went to a Walmart or an electronics store, you see all the televisions playing the same thing. Before they had these type of jacks, they only had these type of ports on there. But some of those probably did use these. But you see all the same picture on there. Let me give you a look on the... Yeah, that gazebo that's right here, that is a Pokemon Go gym. You can drop off any Pokemon you don't want, and you can always come back and get them if someone else didn't already collect them back up and go back out. But you usually find a lot of them here in this yard. It's not really taken care of. You can see people just walk right through. That's way down the road. You see the traffic light down there. Let's zoom back out. One last look at the boards before I sign off. Thanks for watching my videos there. They might not pertain to everybody, but they're there for you to watch because some people are interested in that stuff. Maybe sometime soon I could show some of the computer systems that I have in line here. They all still work. Some of them are antiques. Yeah, there's a quick look at the supplies for the classroom. There's the Alexa device. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you would like to. If you like the stuff you're watching, do hit that like.